Suzuki has launched the all-new Vitara Brezza in petrol now. The diesel version of the car is no longer on sale because of BS6 compliance, and the new car is launched at Rs 7.34 Ex-Showroom Delhi for the base LXI version, while the top-of-the-line automatic goes on sale at 11.40 lakhs. And of course, the top-of-the-line version is the one which comes with the dual paint scheme. Now, these prices are a lot more expensive than its main rival, the Hyundai Venue, which sells its base petrol version for 6.70 lakhs. And that is a price difference of about 65,000 rupees. These prices are also a little more expensive than the Nexon petrol, which retails for 6.95 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi. Now, the reason for the higher prices of the Brezza is the fact that this bigger 1.5 petrol engine does not get the same tax benefit that a 1.2 petrol gets because of its sub 4 meter length. Now, Maruti Suzuki could have also fitted the 1.2 engine from the Dzire or the Swift, but that engine seems to have been underpowered for the bigger Brezza. This new 1.5 liter engine is borrowed straight from the Ciaz and the Ertiga, and it makes a healthy 104 bhp of power. Automatic version of the Hyundai Venue, which sells at 11.50 lakh rupees, comes with a 100 bhp 1 liter turbocharged petrol engine, so the prices for the automatic are quite similar, but yes, the entry point has now become very higher on the Brezza. In terms of the looks, the only big difference on the outside is that big new grille, and of course the bumpers are also slightly modified. The alloy wheels on the side are all new as well, and the side is largely the same, but the back end of the car now gets newer tail lamps. And the interiors also remain more or less the same, with slight differences on the overall design language of the gauges as well as the seat fabric. Now, Maruti claims a fuel efficiency figure of 17.03 for the manual version of the Vitara Brezza, and the automatic version gets 18.76 as its claimed figure. Now, unlike the Ciaz, the Ertiga and the XL6, which also get Maruti Suzuki's SHVS mild hybrid tech, the Brezza does not come with this feature at the moment, and of course this is something that Maruti Suzuki will introduce in the future. However, what do you think of the prices? Do you think that this car will still be such a strong seller in only petrol form, or should Maruti bring back a diesel engine? Do let me know in the comments below. I'll of course drive this car around for you on the weekend. And of course, do come back to this channel on the 29th of February or the 1st of March to view our full test drive review, both in Hindi as well as in English. So till then, it's bye for now, and thanks for watching. And if of course you want to watch the full first look preview of this car, I'll link it in the description box below. It's bye for now, and thanks for watching.